These are 10 products you need on Amazon under $10. And these are seriously some of the coolest and most practical items I've ever reviewed on my channel. We begin with this microwave carrier and spillover caddy that fits most bowls, plates, and creates a convenient seal to keep your microwave mess-free. It's dishwasher safe and features cool touch handles as a great way to prevent burning your hands. If you're looking for a new kitchen timer, this modern one on Amazon at $10 looks nearly identical to a Nest thermostat. This takes 3 AAA batteries and has magnets on the back so it can easily be attached to a fridge. You set the timer with a simple twist of the dial, and I love the bright display. This sneaker wash and dry net bag for $9.97 at the time I'm recording this video puts an end to the banging and clanging of your shoes inside your washing machine. This works just as well in the dryer without the clunking noises, and the quality is superb for the price. In the number 2 spot, if you have a car that sits lower to the road, this portable auto cane at $10 allows for an easier entry or exit. Made of aluminum with an anti-slip handle, this securely attaches to your interior door latch and could be great for a pregnant woman, anyone with accessibility issues, or to have in your glove box in the event an elderly family member travels with you. These LED flashlight gloves at $10 give new meaning to the term handy, as I found them to be remarkably practical for work around the house where you need to very clearly see what your fingers are doing. I'll admit it, I felt like a superhero while doing maintenance around my home, plus they just look really cool. For point 3, peace of mind in the absence of a paper shredder is achievable with this identity theft roller stamp at $10. I've been using one of these for years, and I even travel with one for those times I need to discard any type of travel documentation while at a hotel. One swipe of an envelope or shipping label, and all your personal information is covered. I should mention this video is not sponsored in any way, although I do use affiliate links, which means I could benefit monetarily if you are kind enough to use one of my links. This stapleless stapler is another great gadget on the go. This is actually a bit nostalgic, as my parents got me a gigantic version of this when I was just 10, as they did not trust me with staples. Anyhow, this palm-sized beauty works wonderfully, and I love how it eliminates the repeated cost of having to buy staples. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, as that really helps my channel. In the number 4 spot, it's one of the most incredibly well-reviewed products I've ever seen on Amazon. A 2-pack of satin pillowcases for $5 clearly has a following with more than 300,000 very highly rated reviews. These are said to help prevent breakage of your hair and alleviate the development of wrinkles while sleeping. I was stunned by how soft each of these are at roughly $2.50 each. When I started testing this $8 laundry hamper, it didn't quite meet my specifications as a product that I'd like to promote. So instead, this hanging laundry hamper bag that just slightly exceeds my self-imposed $10 budget by $2 is a significant jump in quality and an easy-to-hang over-the-door, durable, space-saving solution. Since it doesn't occupy floor space, this would be wonderful for a kid's room or a dorm, and my 2-year-old and I have made it into a fun basketball game. And while we're on the topic of clothing organization, this pack of hat racks is a sensational buy where you score 2 for $7 at the time I'm recording this video, where these are made from a stainless steel material that can be mounted with the included adhesive or drilled into a wall. For point 5, I was blown away by the quality of this 2-in-1 oil dispenser bottle for under $10. You can fill this with any type of liquid or cooking oil, and the clog-resistant spray nozzle allows you to better control the amount of oil that goes onto a pan or into your food. The lid even has an alternative flip-top spout, so you can pour olive oil out at a stronger velocity while you're making salad dressing or even a stir-fry. And if you can't tell already, I am filming a few of the product tests at my parents' house, as my mom wanted to see some of these in person. This egg white separator at $7 can split 2 eggs simultaneously with ease. As you can see, the yolk collects up top, while the egg whites are retained in the container below. While I know there are all types of tricks to separate egg whites using a water bottle, if you're looking to complete the task in a more timely manner, this product is a fantastic solution and even includes a whisk. For point 6, this dare I say slightly gorgeous squeegee at $10 can help keep your shower glass or a mirror crystal clean. I love how high quality the stainless steel specimen happens to be. 2 adhesive hooks are included as a bonus, and the squeegee works wonderfully. Speaking of, if you've ever needed a squeegee for your kitchen, this one from Kohler with a countertop brush at $9 could be the least expensive product I've ever seen from that brand. This multi-purpose brush works wonders. It's dishwasher safe. It won't scratch a counter. The squeegee component cleared water in seconds from our countertop, and I love its little ledge that allows you to hang it right next to your sink. It's hard to find any piece of tech that's high quality for under $10, which is what makes this fabric shaver and lint remover so unique. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this 9,000 RPM gadget can shave lint, remove pilling. It's very easy to use, and even includes 2 replaceable stainless steel blades. It has more than 100,000 rave reviews for very obvious reasons. In the number 7 spot, chopping garlic has never been so easy, or at least that's what I've concluded after having tested this rolling gadget. You can add up to 4 peeled garlic cloves, and then based on how much you roll, the garlic zoom can mince, chop, or pulverize without any smell on your fingers or concern over accidentally slicing your hands. While we are on the topic of kitchen safety, the stainless steel slicing tool is not something I expected to like as much as I did. The closest calls my fingers have ever experienced with regards to their survival is every time I go to chop an onion. These 10 hardcore stainless steel forks keep any type of veggie or possibly fruit in place to prevent slippage. This worked tremendously well on an onion, decently for a tomato, and despite the photos depicted on Amazon, I must say I had a little bit of trouble with a lemon. This automatic egg holder accommodates up to 2 dozen eggs, and I found its 2-tier space-saving design highly intelligent. While there are many egg dispensers available from all sorts of retailers like Dollar Tree, I found this version allowed for quicker accessibility. Plus, who doesn't love a dispenser? For point 8, if you've ever struggled to open a lid, this 6-in-1 jar opener at $10 is a game changer that's both simple to store and easy to use. If you have any type of dexterity issue or struggle with arthritis, as many do, this wonderful find handles all the exertion for you, including a ridge for smaller jars or cans, and a bottle opener included in the set as a bonus. This 12-inch Lazy Susan organizer is one of my favorite solutions for condiments or spices that would otherwise contribute to serious clutter behind a cabinet door or pantry. It's easy to clean, stylish, especially for the price, and versatile enough to even assist with beauty products in a bathroom. I never expected to use the word whisk and amazing in the same sentence, but this Joseph Twist Whisk at $9 converts between a traditional whisk and a flat-like spatula utensil that could even be used to spread oil around a pan or sort of assist with flipping an omelet. My favorite part is how this twists into a flat and much more easy to store baking apparatus that fits way better into our drawer than your typical stainless steel one. For back to school, work, or meal prep, these food bag holders can quickly become that extra set of hands you need in the kitchen for pouring ingredients that would otherwise require 2 hands. These are height and frame adjustable, and the non-slip rubber base ensures nothing spills until your bags are sealed and good to go. Our next point is lit, so to speak. I'm not sure anyone actually uses that term anymore, but this electric lighter for well under $10 eliminates the need to buy matches and also qualifies as a fantastic emergency essential for camping, lighting candles during a power outage, or for any time you've struggled with a match outside. This flawless igniter is windproof, and I have found the one we have operates for months without ever needing a recharge. Speaking of the outdoors, if you want a more tactical lighter that's not just windproof but also waterproof, this flameless plasma lighter at $9 is a highly portable outdoor gadget. Similar to the first lighter I showed you, this is USB rechargeable, but just as a word of caution, if you have dogs sensitive to sound, both lighters emit a very slight high-pitched noise that can be detectable and annoying to some pets. Whether it's the heat of the summer or the cold of the winter, This indoor weather stripping solution provides an additional layer of energy efficiency. The adhesive foam door or window sealing strip is thicker than what I've seen sold at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it is very well reviewed if this is a product that interests you. For my next point, before we get to the bonus section, if you wear an Apple Watch, I'm sure you've noticed that after a few years, its battery can barely make it through the day. This highly compact portable charger that hangs from a keychain can feel like a lifesaver if you don't have access to a power outlet or charge cable while you work, or if you're traveling somewhere on vacation. I was extremely impressed with the build of this product for under $10. Speaking of travel, this 9-in-1 desktop power strip at $10 is one of the best featured surge protectors I've seen for this size and price. It has 6 widely spaced 3-prong AC ports, a USB-C outlet, and 2 standard USB ports with a 5-foot extension cord, so it can be placed on a desk when you're not on the go. An extremely popular product that I flagged on Amazon Prime Day that I wanted to include for this video is a trio of 10-foot USB-C cables for under $10. These are long, durable, and the ultimate highly rated power cord. For those not that close to an outlet charging a smartphone on a nightstand, the length is very helpful and even long enough to power a device in the backseat of a car from the front. If you travel often, you're likely aware of how frustrating it can be to watch content on a smartphone without any type of mount. So this airplane phone holder could prove to be the perfect companion. I obviously did not have an airplane at my disposal to test this with, but the reviews are fantastic, and it just as easily attaches to a piece of luggage in the event of a flight delay or connects to a desk for hands-free viewing. Before I get to my next point, I wanted to tell you I'm very excited about my new email newsletter that I now send out every Monday at noon Eastern. You'll find savings and budgeting advice in each issue alongside huge deals that I don't feature on this channel. You can sign up with the link on the screen or by clicking the link below. Our bonus section is also hands-free thanks to one peculiar-looking umbrella hat. If you know me, you know I'd never miss an opportunity to model a high piece of fashion. This 37-inch UV-protected umbrella hat ensured no rain hit my head or face. And if you don't mind how clearly awesome you'd look wearing this, it certainly keeps your hands free to do anything else other than hold an umbrella, although it was not the easiest to open or close for what that's worth. I wanted to classify this electric mini chopper as a bonus because it is over my price threshold, but it is superb. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades can tackle any task from garlic to herbs, nuts, onion, whatever it is you don't want to touch. It's USB rechargeable and as powerful as choppers that are double the size and triple the price. For strong visibility on the roads, I'm a big fan of this huge panoramic rearview mirror that securely attaches in seconds using the adjustable clips on the back. This makes reversing feel like a safer process. It reduced some of the blind spots I typically have, and I love the price for that wide-angled peace of mind. While I would rarely attach the word ingenious to a microwave splatter cover, this collapsible beauty with more than 75,000 nearly perfect reviews goes beyond your typical cover that just prevents a mess. The BPA-free plastic and heat-resistant silicone also doubles as a colander, so you can quickly rinse veggies and fruit or even strain pasta. So smart. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.